Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube banner using Canva. It's super easy. Please follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this one. Let's go ahead and open Canva in our web browser. It's the main page of Canva. Canva can be used to create a lot of different things. For example, a channel logo, a banner, a thumbnail, or a CV. Whatever you can imagine, you can do it on Canva. So we'll go ahead and click on create a new design. Since we are creating a YouTube banner, we will click on YouTube banner, and if the option doesn't show you, you just simply write here banner or YouTube banner if you want to be specific. As you can see, click on this one. It will open a brand new page for you to customize your banner. As you can see, we have a lot of YouTube banner templates and designs in our left hand side. You can choose any one of them depending on your channel. For example, if you have a gaming channel, you can choose the gaming ones, or simply write on your category or your niche right here. You'll find a lot of different options and templates for you to customize your template. You can choose any one of them and make it your own by making a little edit or adding more elements. And now I'm going to show you how you can customize it to your own likings. Let's say this one. This is a basic YouTube banner, but you can customize it to your own liking. For example, you can change the font size, you can change the color, you can add text, you can add objects, etc. For example, here you have to write your channel name. So simply just double click it and write your channel's name. Right. Everything is here is customizable. Even the objects are customizable. You can see, you can add them or drag them, or if you don't like them, you can simply remove them. If you want, you can type in your name, and if you don't want, you can also remove it, just like that. You can drag the objects a little bit down so that your channel name is in the middle. And if you don't want to drag it and make it a hassle, you can click on this position button right here and click on center. Since our text is already in the center and in the middle, right there, you can remove this one. You can customize it. You can write anything you want. Let's say subscribe for more gaming videos. Right. If you don't like the font, you can also edit the font by clicking on here. You can choose any font you like. For example, you have a lot of different options, but bear that in mind that there are some fonts where you have to pay Canva or buy their premium version. For example, I'll show you this one. You can see that we have a little crown here, a pro version symbol. It means that you have to pay for this font. So since we are not going to pay for anything, we will simply select different fonts, which is free, of course. For example, this one. You can choose any font you like. There you go. You can change the text color if you want to match it. You can choose any one of them. You can choose black on black. You can see. You can choose, if you want to select change all, it will change the whole text, even the upper ones, not the title, because title is different. You have to bear that in mind. Okay. And if you want to change the titles one as well, you can simply go to text color right there and choose any color you like. You can even change the fonts of it. You can add more elements to your banner to make it more creative. For example, if you want to add more elements, you can go to elements option right here, and you can select any type of elements where you can upload the image, you can upload stickers, you can upload graphics as well. For example, if you click on the graphics one, this one, see all, click on this one, and it will show more graphics that you can add to make your banner more customizable, more creative, and more catchy. You can also choose some text which will enhance your YouTube banner. You can see you have these magic recommendations. I prefer you use those magic recommendations because they have many beautiful elements and many beautiful creative shapes, designs, etc. But there's another part which I would like to say. If you go to text and you want if you don't have a glowing type text, I prefer you use this one, not the heading, this one. I'll scroll a little bit down. You'll see that this glow option right here, it will give you a box where you can insert your channel name or extra text, and it will be a neon type text. I'll show you right now. Click on it. Now, as you can see, it is also customizable. You can change the color, you can change it to bold, or you can keep it normal, you can keep it clean. You can change the fonts as well. Let's say subscribe for more. Right? Now, you can also change the positioning of it. For example, if you want it a little bit down, you can drag it. Let's fix it a little bit. Use these arrows, the corner ones, to drag your text. Or simply, you can just adjust your size, your text size. But I prefer doing this one because it's an ease of mind, to be honest. You can give it a let's try. You can just drag it right here. We'll just remove this one. There you go. I prefer you use not the standard ones. I prefer you just change the text fonts and the size, even the colors, because since it is the standard color, I prefer you choose a different one. There are options for gradient colors if you like gradient colors, or you have solid colors as well from here. Scroll a little bit down, you can choose from here. This one, or this one, or even this one. This looks better. Right. Since I'm not changing the font type, I like this font. It looks classy, clean. And there you go. You have a whole new YouTube banner, and you can use Canva to create literally anything for your YouTube channel, starting from logos to banners. Check out our videos for more tips from Canva. We already made videos on how to make a logo, how to make intro and outro videos for your YouTube channel. We also showed you how to create thumbnails in our videos. I'll link them down in the description. Canva is a very helpful website. I prefer you use it every time for customizing your YouTube channel to the best. You don't have to pay anything. Already they are giving us loads of options, loads of designs. You don't have to pay to freelancers on the internet for $25 or $30. You can simply write Canva and you can choose one of those designs and you can make it your own and customize it to your own liking. I hope this video has helped you in creating a YouTube banner for your YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.